A very good morning and a warm welcome to my dear students of class 6, and I welcome you all in this new class of social science where we are now beginning with the first chapter of geography, which is the earth in our solar system. Children, in which planet do we live? The answer is obviously the earth. Now, to see our planet more closely and to know about where our planet is actually lying, let us start with this chapter, in which in the live class I have discussed the introduction and the important topics. But to recapitalize again, or to recap again, let us begin with number 1, celestial bodies. The moon, the sun, and all other objects which are shining in the sky in the night are called celestial bodies. Number 1. So the moon, stars, planets cannot be seen during the night time because the sunlight is very high, and because of that we are not able to see the moons and the stars. So these 2 points we discussed in the live class. Then the third point, children, stars are the celestial bodies which are very big and very hot. They are made up of gases. They have their own heat and light, and which they emit it in large amount. So the first point was the moon, the sun, and all other objects in the sky which are shining in the night are called celestial bodies. Number 2, why we are not able to see stars and the moon in the daylight? Because of the high brightness of the sun. Third point is, stars are those celestial bodies which are made up of gases. They are very big and very hot. Third, they have their own heat and light, and the sun is also a star. To note down an important point. Now let us begin with constellations. Now, constellations are various patterns formed by different groups of stars. Open your book to chapter 1 and you will see that star-like formation, seven-like formation, all those patterns which the stars tend to make. For example, if I want to draw number 1 through matchsticks, I will place my matchsticks in such an order that it will look like number 1. Similarly, in the sky, when stars are placed in such a way that they make some pattern, that is known as constellations, right? Now, out of these patterns, all the patterns, Ursa Major is a very important one, right? It is also known as Big Bear. Now, the North Star indicates the north direction. It is also known as Pole Star. It always remains in the same position in the sky. We can locate the pole star with the help of Saptarishi Mandal. Now, I will explain this last point. For example, what if we need to see which direction are we heading towards, or we want to find the north direction, we will quickly in the night see where is the pole star shining. The pole star always shines in the north direction. That is why this pole star is also known as a north star, but it is commonly known as a pole star. Second characteristic of this, that it always remains in the same position. The pole star never shifts its position. That is why the navigators, the travelers, they are being helped by pole star, because they will quickly get to know the direction of north. So pole star never shifts its direction. It is also known as a north star. It shines always in the north direction. And the last point, we can locate the pole star with the help of Saptarishi Mandal, a pattern of 7 stars. Sapt means 7, and 7 stars pattern always indicate the pole star. So children, that's all with the introduction of stars, constellations, and now in the next class we will begin with the solar system and we will discuss about the sun. So Till then, children, you need to study the chapter, read the chapter, and understand what has been taught. See you all in the next class. Till then, take care and be safe. Bye bye and take care.